Welcome everyone to the Workforce Workshop, where we break down the trends shaping employment and workforce strategies today. I'm your host, Shiraz Kelly, and today we're diving into a timely and crucial topic, the post-election business landscape, confidence and hiring practices after the 2024 US elections. Let's get started. With the 2024 elections behind us, businesses across the country are recalibrating their strategies in response to new policies and leadership. The return of Donald Trump as president signals a continuation of business-friendly policies, but with some new twists. What does this mean for workforce planning and hiring trends? Business confidence, a mixed bag. First, let's discuss business confidence. After the elections, optimism among business leaders has noticeably increased, especially in sectors like finance and manufacturing, which anticipate benefits from potential tax cuts and deregulation. However, this optimism is cautious. Many industries are in wait-and-see mode as they analyze how these policies will unfold. Sectors such as renewable energy, healthcare, and technology face particular uncertainty, as they may experience shifts in regulatory frameworks or international trade policies. For instance, tech companies are closely monitoring potential changes in data privacy laws and global trade agreements. Hiring trends, strategic and selective. So how is this affecting hiring? We're seeing a nuanced picture. Slow hiring in uncertain sectors. Industries like renewable energy and healthcare are treading carefully. Growth in key areas. Meanwhile, sectors tied to infrastructure, engineering, and cybersecurity are ramping up hiring in anticipation of changes in federal investment and policies. Contract and temporary workers on the rise. Companies are increasingly turning to flexible staffing solutions, allowing them to scale up or down depending on economic conditions. Another significant trend is the push toward upskilling. Companies are investing in employee training programs to prepare for new roles that may emerge under changing policies. The selective hiring mindset. Businesses are becoming more selective in their hiring. Candidates who demonstrate adaptability, problem-solving skills, and versatility are highly sought after. Companies are also reevaluating roles to ensure they align with evolving business needs. Workforce policy shifts. Policy changes around labor laws and immigration are adding another layer of complexity. Reclassification of workers. Potential new regulations for gig and contract workers could redefine employment relationships. Immigration policies. Stricter immigration controls might impact sectors that depend on international talent, potentially leading to increased domestic hiring or automation. Candidate behavior. Interestingly, job seekers are also adapting. Many are prioritizing job stability and flexibility, such as remote work options or contract roles. This shift reflects heightened awareness of economic uncertainty. Navigating the landscape. For businesses, the key to thriving in this environment is preparation. Scenario planning, anticipate a range of policy outcomes, and adapt risk management strategies accordingly. Transparent communication, keep employees informed about potential changes and their impacts. Localized hiring. Companies may increasingly tap into local talent pools to mitigate risks tied to global trade policies. Looking ahead, as policy details become clearer, we can expect business confidence to stabilize and hiring to pick up. The focus, however, will remain on strategic, quality hires who can drive innovation and efficiency. Sectors that benefit directly from policy changes will likely lead the way in employment growth. Closing thoughts. The post-election period presents challenges, but it also offers opportunities for businesses to adapt and strengthen. Companies that embrace agility, invest in their workforce, and plan for a variety of outcomes will emerge stronger. Thank you for joining me today for this Workforce Workshop. If you found this session valuable, be sure to follow along for more discussions on workforce trends and strategies. Have questions or topics you'd like us to explore? Feel free to reach out. Until next time, I'm Shiraz Kelly, encouraging you to stay proactive, stay informed, and stay ahead.